Volume, triple its daily average. Meg Tirrell is here to explain the big move. What's happening here, Meg?
Guys, this is sort of like the biotech-iest of biotech happenings. So I was trying to figure out what was going on with Bridgebio. There's been a lot of news around this company recently. They had some really positive data earlier this month, and Bloomberg came out suggesting that there was some takeover interest in the company. Well, what's happening today is there is speculation that the company has dropped out of an investor conference that was scheduled for next week. And in the biotech world, when a company is in the M&A zone and they drop out of an investor conference, everybody assumes that means they are imminently going to be bought. And so whether this actually happens frequently or not is a very good question. I would love to see historical data on how often that actually is the case. But what it shows you today is that people are really hoping that this name gets taken out. And I've actually reached out to them to try to confirm that they have dropped out of this conference. I have not yet heard back.
And they didn't tell you whether they were being bought by somebody?
Yeah, and by whom and for how much.
They didn't volunteer that to you?
I thought they would.
With apologies.
You always have to try.
What do they do again? What would be the excitement here?
Importantly, what they actually do, they make rare disease drugs. And so they had some really positive phase 2 data in a condition called achondroplasia at the beginning of the month, which is the most common form of dwarfism.
Wow.
And so you already have BioMarin on the market with the drug there. And so this one looked pretty positive. And so that drove the stock up. Then came the M&A speculation, or at least the report from Bloomberg that there's interest.
You just a few minutes ago moderated several panels on Healthy Returns, our healthcare event that is an annual happening. What was your key takeaway there? And I know there was a lot of talk about RSV and progress against it, vaccinations against it. It is can be a deadly illness.
Yeah, absolutely. I thought that was one of the really interesting things of the conference, Jim Cramer's conversation with GSK's CEO, Emma Walmsley. And, you know, he did start out by asking her about the prospects for their RSV vaccine. This is really shaping up to be the next big vaccine race. Here's what she said about it.
There are diseases that have not had any vaccine solution ever, and RSV is one of them. Many have been working on trying to find a solution to RSV for 50 years. And now, and we're not the only ones to come forward, but we were the first to publish results, which we're really excited about.
And it's particularly notable, she says, they were the first to publish results. They and Pfizer are really neck and neck in this race, with FDA decisions expected on their adult vaccines in May. Importantly, Johnson & Johnson, which was sort of a laggard in this race, said today that they are discontinuing their program, having looked at the RSV adult vaccine landscape. You're seeing Pfizer and GSK right there at the front, Moderna close behind them. J&J just felt like this wasn't a place where they wanted to keep competing.
How much longer until the kids one is coming?
That one is a little bit farther behind.
Not to keep asking about it, but...
Yeah, so there is an antibody drug that is closer to being available for babies. So that's kind of similar. You're giving the protection through an antibody drug rather than a vaccine. But then, you know, Pfizer is also looking at vaccinating pregnant people so that the babies get protection in the early part of life.
Oh, interesting.
And boy, did you drill down with the folks from Novo Nordisk on Ozempic and Wegovy.
Wegovy,
the weight loss drug. Fascinating conversations, Meg. Good to be with you.